So going ahead from
इतना जल्दी बोला, कितना जल्दी बोला गोइंग अहेड. पता है ना, एक लाइन पहले ही हक दिया है.
अरे यार
पूछ ले अपने ऋषभ वाले क्वेश्चंस पूछ ले. पूछ ले.
what is the worst way a guy has ever hit on you? Oh shit, was it on Saddi Gali?
No,
not tomato.
The worst guy, the worst. I've made a reel also about this. It went crazy viral. I don't know why. I'm just funny like that, I guess. So I was at Barbank, and Barbank is like my spot. Like I'm always there. You can't find me. I'm probably at Barbank.
कोई मिस तो नहीं हो गया ना? सब है ना बार बैंक.
सब है ना बार बैंक में. Wednesday को
आ
कोई
गए ना
छूट तो
सब
नहीं
Wednesday.
गया.
आ गए ना सब.
हाँ,
भाई,
सब
आ गए.
Wednesday.
So I was there, and I was with my friends only, I think. I was with my cousin and my friends. And then this guy, he comes up to me and he's like, yo. I'm like, yo? Kya? Aage bol.
You okay है? You okay है?
Bro, I'm like, he just said yo and then he kept quiet for like 2 minutes and he's just looking at me. And I was like, what, 4 or 5 shots down. And the problem with me is, sober only, I'm very muffat. So when I'm drunk, it's worse. It's worse.
Pani puri.
So literally, bro. Honestly, it's worse.
Gotta have pani puri with you guys.
You should, bro.
After
You should.
dangerous amounts of alcohol ingestion, yes. So then he starts making small talk. And I'm nice. I will not say कि भाई तू तो कैसा छछुंदर जैसा दिखता है, दूर हट जा. I will not say that.
तूने
साहिल,
बोला
तू बार
पक्का
बैंक गया
बोल.
था?
नहीं, मैं आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि मैं बार बैंक आज तक कभी नहीं गया हूँ
मैं
भाई.
तेरे को लेके चलूंगी एक दिन.
ना ब्रो.
No,
मैं
no.
लास्ट वेडनेसडे
I'm
गया
okay.
था, फुल हो गया था बार बैंक में, घुस नहीं पाया.
है?
हाँ, कुछ इतना बड़ा क्राउड.
Yeah, I was also there last Wednesday.
Wednesdays
Yeah, Wednesdays at Barbank.
मैं हर तीसरे बंदे की रील उस पे दिखती है मुझे. बार बैंक के अलावा कोई प्लेस ही नहीं है किसी के पास. But why
There
is
is a
that?
reason.
Why? What's the reason? Actually, tell me. Actually,
The
मुझे नहीं
vibes
पता.
are
I don't
like,
hate
the
anyone.
vibes are great. Music is great. Drinks are great. Everything is great.
मेरी एक
Everything is
फ्रेंड
great.
आके मेरे को रैंट करी थी कि भाई मैं बार बैंक गई थी, ठीक है, अब हमको एंट्री नहीं दी, सेइंग कि वी लुक टू यंग.
होता है वो.
We look too young.
होता है.
He's like, you don't even look 18. And I think she's 20. She had the fake ID of 21. And clubs में there's a thing कि entry
yeah.
does not take a 21 की ID, drinking does.
Drinking.
है ना? तो उसको एंट्री नहीं दिया. एंड वो बोल रही है कि अभी बाजू में से एक 16 साल की लड़की गई, शी इज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर, उसके बायो पे लिखा है. तो यार बायो पे तो झूठ बोलते हैं लोग. अब वो मैनेजर खुद को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है कि बायो में तो झूठ बोलते हैं लोग. अब चलो मैं निकाल देता हूँ जिसको भी होगा, पॉइंट करो. फिर जैसे ही बोला हाँ ठीक है चलो, बोलते नहीं आपको अंदर नहीं लेके जा सकते ना, आपको तो अलाउड ही नहीं है.
This is one of the things I hate about clubs, parties and shit is कि वो लोग influencers and creators को दे allow, कोई भी एज होगा कुछ भी होगा,
अरे पर
because it's marketing from them ना.
हर जगह लोग अपना फायदा देखेंगे ना.
But still,
Fair.
सिर्फ अपना फायदा
But
देखने के लिए.
16
What about
years
the other
old in
people?
the club, like
Yeah, no,
me
then
being in a
you
club, I wouldn't like कि okay ये 16 साल की बच्ची है.
You wouldn't stop yourself. Yeah, you look like the type. Just finished on you.
No, what?
You caught us.
Please don't say you look like a type.
No, but
What?
that's something seriously I feel. That's why I don't.
क्या
go
I look like
ज़्यादा.
the type?
No. He's saying.
It's a thing. Fuck, it's a thing.
तेरे को
Okay.
क्या conversation timeline समझ में नहीं आती है क्या?
Sibao. The thing is, the number of people who have called me a fuckboy, I've never had a relationship.
How many of them are wrong, bro?
Same question.
All of them.
You look like a fuckboy.
I mean, ठीक है, looking like, and I've never been in a relationship, ठीक है, and the thing is, I'm the best guy someone can talk to.
इसको ऐसा लग रहा है अभी कि मेरी image.
You know why? No. You know why? In a bad way for me, because every girl I've talked to, been in a talking stage situationship with, apparently we stopped talking. Within a month, she finds the love of her life.
Oh, you're that guy.
I am that guy.
You are
Prishti
I'm
is
like that
happy now,
stepping
bro.
stone they need to
that
fly.
guy.
Finally.
You're that
I'm the
guy.
She's
stepping
happy.
stone they need to fly.
Srishti is happy अभी बस वो एक
नहीं
महीना और
तुम डालो
निकाले.
ना मुझे कुएं में डालो. तुम
What?
खुद उड़ो पर कुएं में डालो मुझे.
But still, yeah.
So basically, anyone that meets you after a month, they get the love of their life.
Yeah.
Sup bro, I'm Prishti. Like what's
Yeah,
up?
we're very good friends, Rishabh. Okay, really good friends.
Talk to me for a
Really?
month though.
एक महीना बाद तेरी शक्ल भी नहीं देखूंगा.
They finish on you in a month and they leave.
In a month, nahi, for a month.
Oh, okay.
After a
They
month,
finish
we'll
on-
have someone to finish.
30 days.
Then they finish him and they go.
Who's getting used for what?
Views.
Use and throw, bro. Use and throw.
Fuck yeah.
होता है यार.
Hmm.
Chill कर.
So was that the worst interaction ever?
No, it gets worse.
It gets worse.
Yeah. So he was making small talk, and then he asked me for my ID. I said, nahi dena. Like, I'm not looking for like a relationship or anything. He's like, yeah, even I'm not looking for a relationship. Like, I just think you're cute and I want to talk to you. I'm like, but I
Stepping
don't want
stone.
to talk, na. I didn't say I don't want to talk. I said, no, I don't feel like. I don't want to like give my ID out like that, even though it's fucking public. And then he keeps pestering me for my ID. So in the end, I just say, bro, you're not my type. Because I got irritated. I got very irritated. I was just like, bro, you're not my type. And then this man, he takes 2 steps back. And he does this. He's like taken aback. And then he's like, whatever you want, all that anyway. मेरे पास आके you tell me I'm cute, then I don't want to give you my ID. So I am not all that.
Wait, I've seen this reel. Yeah, तभी similar लग रही थी. I've seen this reel.
Yeah.
तभी like सुना है.
Yeah, so that was the worst interaction I've ever had. I saw him abhi parso also when I went to Barbank. He was there. He was looking at me. I hope you know you are the storyline of one of my best performing reels. Thanks. Thanks.
आपने जो क्लाउड दिया है मुझे,
बहुत cloud दिया है.
जो क्लाउड आपने दिया है
बहुत cloud
मुझे.
दिया है.
शायद भाई ये मेरे को पता है, ये सब जब लड़कों का कटता है ना ऐसे पब्लिक में,
हाँ.
तो बड़ा मजा आता है देख के.
ठीक है.
अरे bro, all my friends started laughing at him when he did that thing.
साहिल is experienced in this stuff.
कटता है क्या
बहुत
तेरा
बार
बच्चा?
कटा है पब्लिक में.
नो मैं देखता हूँ कटते हुए लोग.
अच्छा.
आई जस्ट एंजॉय.
तेरे साथ में ऐसा कभी हुआ है?
I got rejected once because I don't like जेठालाल. I mean imagine मेरा एकदम सब सही चल रहा है किसी इंसान के साथ, ठीक है, बहुत मस्त चल रहा है, and the next person asked me, oh do you like तारक मेहता का ऐसे चल रहा है, बात हो रही है, and we were good friends पहले भी, ठीक है, तो हमारी बात चल रही है, and out of
अरे तू करना, पागल है क्या? तू करना बात, ठीक
ये
है,
हो रहा है.
रीस्टार्ट द कन्वर्सेशन.
बता ही नहीं रहा मैं.
यार तू क्यों तेरे को मेरे अंदर घुसना है बार बार? नहीं,
Just finished on you.
ठीक है.
you're good at this. 3, 2, 1. बाहर गिर गया आप.
I just finished
Finished
on
on
you.
Not sponsored by the way.
तुझे तो रेड बुल पसंद थी ना यार. Sia, if you're watching this dude.
It should be like that, na? Anything for the
Rishabh
house.
is this performative male, you know.
No, all men are.
Yeah, all men are.
No,
all
bro,
men are
not
dogs.
all men are.
हाँ, वो
See-
अलग चीज है, but Rishabh is performative male.
Why?
Huh?
Why do you feel the need to change yourself to impress the house?
I don't change myself. That is me. I am a
just
feminist.
He just did.
No.
I told you.
It's about the last time. मेरे को रेड बुल बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. एंड लास्ट एपिसोड में था भी कि लाइक मैंने BTS में ये लोग को बोला था कि मुझे रेड बुल बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद, दवाई जैसी होती है. दे रिकॉर्डेड मी. एंड जब सिया आई एंड शी सेड कि भाई आई लव रेड बुल, आई चेंज.
बंदा पूरे पॉडकास्ट में
I
I
just said-
love Diet
I
Coke.
just said, why do you feel the need to change
I
yourself?
love Diet
No,
Coke.
Diet Coke is goated.
Genuinely, I love
Diet
Diet Coke.
Coke's
This is
best.
not even me lying.
Sometimes you can just ignore Rishabh and it's sorted.
No, but his opinion makes sense right now.
Yeah.
What?
Of
Diet
Diet
Coke.
Coke.
हाँ, Diet Coke
Diet
is,
Coke
yeah.
is.
कभी इसकी बातें बहुत ज़्यादा सेंस बना देती हैं. कभी इसकी बातें सुन के मैं इसको बहाना मार देता हूँ कि मैं वॉशरूम जा रहा हूँ, मुझे पॉटी आई है.
फिर मैं बोलता हूँ साथ में चल.
I just finished already.
Why am I doing this?
बहुत बार finish हो चुके हैं.
The number of times Sahil has faced awkward moments because of me,
भैया
it's crazy. It's crazy.
I just
हम-
go silent bro. मैं
हाँ.
क्या ही बोलूँ अब मैं. नहीं जानता मैं इस
मेरी
बंदे
जुबान
को.
काट दो आप.
हम ट्रेन में थे, ठीक है. इट्स लाइक 2 हफ्ते पहले when we started planning for starting the podcast. 2-3 हफ्ते पहले it was. एंड हम लोग बाहर गए to like थोड़ा यहाँ एक्सप्लोर करके आते हैं स्टफ. एंड हम गए बाहर, हम ट्रेन में हैं, ठीक है. सम रैंडम गाय इज यॉर्निंग. मैंने कैमरा खोला उसके मुंह पे. लुक एट हिम, ठीक है. ही वाज यॉर्निंग. आँख बंद थी उसकी. हाँ, ही इज यॉर्निंग. जैसे ही उसकी आँख खुली, देखा कैमरा है, मैं साहिल पे शिफ्ट कर दिया. देख इसको.
और मैं ऐसा दूरी, मतलब मैं ऐसा,
ये देख रहा है मुझे.
मैं ऐसा एक्ट कर रहा हूँ जैसे मेरे साथ भी सेम हुआ है.
कौन है तू? ओए, कौन है तू? Do you think you're the awkward, the person who makes people awkward or like
who makes
get
people
awkward?
Definitely the person who
ज़्यादा.
makes people awkward.
अरे
Makes
attack
people go
करने
crazy
लगा
actually.
यार.
No, you don't
Yeah.
make people awkward.
Yeah, I make them concerned thoda for me.
Oh,
Yeah,
फेफड़े.
that's true. I mean, imagine ना बंदी एंटर करती है अपने फेफड़ों के बारे में बता रही है, 2 लौंडों की फट चुकी है. Fuck.
रुक जाओ, मेरे हाथ
रुक
में आ
जाओ.
चुका है.
ये लड़की बहुत मेहनत कर रही है.
Any awkward moment like बहुत crazy वाला जैसे वो बंदे का था ना you know ना
दीवा था क्या वो बंदा?
No, I think Loki, because the way he did that, even I don't do it with that much sass. Yeah. यही तो नहीं था.
I
ये
asked
तो
you in the
नहीं
start.
था.
I
Hey,
asked you in the
you
start.
didn't say like you said na he was in your type not me
So who said you're my type?
Sibao cut this by
See,
the
this
way
is what I enjoy.
we cut this
Guys getting fucked in
we
front of me.
cut this
I just like this. ये तो मैं डालूंगा भाई, हाईलाइट बनेगा ये तो. ये तो मैं शो का वो जो स्टार्टिंग में आता है ना एकदम वो क्यूरियोसिटी बिल्ड करने के लिए उसमें डालूंगा ये तो मैं.
अरे यार
ऋषभ बीइंग छोड़ यार, डाल दूंगा मैं बस.
Awkward. I've not had an awkward moment that I can think of. वो रात के 2 बजे ही याद आता है, you know, कि fuck मैं इतनी बुरी embarrass हुई थी. मेरे को याद
I
नहीं
just
पड़ा.
feel you ignored that after 2 minutes. I
Yeah,
think देखो लगता होगा कि
shit
यार
यार मैं embarrass हुई थी who gives a fuck छोड़
चल रील देखती हूँ.
चल रील देख
पृष्टि को मिलने के बाद तो मेरे को लगता है लौंडे ही पीटता, क्यों मिला घर पे जाके घूसे मार रहा है.
मुझे क्यों तोड़ा?
you weren't all that
यही था, मैं बोल रही हूँ, यही था.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ ब्रो, यू आर
यही
ड्रंक.
था.
okay even I'm surprised how I can do that
मैं बता रहा हूँ भाई, देख
Do this.
the rest
लिसन टू मी, मैं बता रहा हूँ तू ड्रंक होगी, तेरे को
Please,
फेस
यार,
रिकॉग्नाइज
come
नहीं
on.
होगा.
I wasn't
straight.
that drunk.
तू रील एक बार ऑब्वियस चेक करियो इसकी फोटो साइड में रख के.
Yeah.
you also drink
क्या
you also drink
व्हाट
drink
बंद कर दिया.
alcohol बंद कर दिया
बंद कर दिया.
nice I don't drink alcohol
You're missing out, bro.
without alcohol
ये वाला
ऐसे ही
पॉडकास्ट
बेकार
मैं
आदमी
आपको
हूँ।
शेयर ही नहीं कर रहा ब्रो.
विदाउट अल्कोहल
Very
इससे ज्यादा क्या
unsafe.
सोच सकते हो मैं क्या करूंगा आई डू हैव भांग दो भांग in my opinion is better than alcohol
You've never even tried alcohol. What opinion you're sharing?
Exactly bro, shut the fuck
Anyways-
up. There are 2 people who's gonna kick you in the ass
I
bro.
swear
No.
to God.
Shut the
I have bhang in my fridge right now I will get that for you and you will feel how it's better
मुझे ना भाई नहीं 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 bro. क्या हो
he's
गया?
looking the cameraman is basically looking at him
I
मेरे को
had my
बोल रहा है
first-
fuck लाना यार
I had my first sip of alcohol with my mom.
Damn.
Yeah, that's why I said on a scale of like 1 to 10, she's like an 11.
Sindhi
My mom is Bengali.
veins. Oh
My dad is
wait,
Sindhi.
Bengali people drink
Like sailors.
I think anyone can drink.
nice
You don't have to be a
okay you don't have to
certain
be a
caste
certain-
religion to
Yeah.
drink.
Speaking
isn't
of,
it haram
I think no I
In
think
what?
drinking unites
For
everyone.
Muslims yeah
Drinking
anyone can
unites
drink
everyone.
बोल रहा है then
हाँ
like-
bro, drinking unites
there are
everyone.
many Muslims who
fair.
drink.
I have not seen
Hmm.
that. Oh yeah,
even
yeah.
I know but you know the people who are actually religious they don't
Oh, even
Very
like
religious तो मैं
like
भी हूँ.
I have this one friend. वो he fasts but then he drinks. But अभी चल रहा था ना.
he's fast he drinks
Like
फटाफट
अभी-
से पीते रहे
अरे अभी मैंने बोला कि यार इसको please.
sorry please
I'll
don't slap
finish
me
you, bro.
Hey.
Christy
So-
will finish you. Yeah, बोल.
तो मतलब दिन में ही was fasting and then after sunset तो I think you can eat. तो रात को बार में आके पी रहा था वो हम लोग के साथ. तो I don't think it matters वैसे. You can be religious and still drink.
I think it depends on everyone. सबका अपना अपना चीज़ है.
you were
जो
saying
करना है
something
करो.
ना उसके अलावा भी
About what?
I cut you बीच में
यही बोल रही थी वो.
oh
तेरे को कट करने के बाद भी ध्यान नहीं तूने क्या काटा है.
we wanna play a game
I'm
So-
scared. ठीक है.
let's take names of people you know we all 3 of us might know so I have who is most likely to hear and we're gonna take names of people who are most likely to
Okay.
works with you
Yeah.